Egg Malai Masala, where hard-boiled eggs are cooked in milk and spices, resulting in a rich, delicious and yummy gravy. Today I'll show you how to make one in a few simple steps. Welcome to my channel Curry Bites. Let's get started. Roughly chop 1 onion, 2 green chilies. Add a tablespoon of water to this and grind this to a smooth paste. Hard-boiled eggs. I am taking 2 eggs as I am making the gravy for 2 people. Now heat up a pan and add in 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil has heated up, add in the onion green chili paste. Cook this for about 5 minutes on low flame. After 5 minutes, add in the ginger garlic paste. Sauté this till the paste changes color. Once it has become nice golden, turn off the flame. After turning off the flame, add the milk little by little and stir continuously. I have used a cup of milk. Once everything is mixed well, turn on the flame and on the lowest heat setting, cook till the oil separates. Once the oil separates like this, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, quarter teaspoon of pepper powder, pinch of garam masala and mix everything well. Now season this with salt. I have used about half a teaspoon of salt. Now place the eggs in the gravy as shown so that the yolk gets coated well in the masala. Cook the eggs for 2 more minutes. Meanwhile, chop some coriander leaves. It's been 2 minutes. Flip the eggs so that the other side gets coated in the masala too. Cook for a minute. Season with some pepper powder and garnish with some chopped coriander leaves. This goes well with your rotis, chapatis, parathas, appams and even rice. Give this recipe a try as it takes only 10 minutes to cook and tastes absolutely delicious. Hope you found this video useful. Subscribe to my channel for more future recipes.